and welcome back to my YouTube channel. What the problem you are facing while speaking in English? So whatever your problems are, forget about your problems. I am here to improve your English speaking practice. What is required to speak in English? Just one thing, your positive attitude. If you think that you can speak in English, so you will definitely going to speak in English. And like a native speaker, like American, Australian, you can also speak like them. But you have to follow some simple steps, like you have to learn vocabulary every day. I'm here to improve your vocabulary. We will discuss around 5 to 10 words every day, which you need to learn and you need to add in your English speeches, or you are not able to make the speeches, so try to make a sentence whatever the vocabulary words I am telling you in my regular videos. So let's start today's video with some interesting and amazing English vocabularies. So the word for the day is compendium. 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 Summary. The meaning is summary. A yearbook often contains a compendium of the offense, foibles, and crimes of members of the senior class. Next word, complacement. Complacement. Complacent. Self satisfied. The complacement camper paid no attention to bear prowling around his campsite, and the bear ate him up. Compliment. Next word, compliment. Complete or fill up. This word is often confused with compliment, which means to praise. Next word, complicity. The meaning is participation is wrongdoing. Complicity. Comprehensive. Covering or including everything. Now the time of sentence. The insurance policy was comprehensive. It covered all possible losses. Next word, comprise. To consist. The sentence, a football team comprises 11 players on offense and 11 players on defense. Conciliatory. Making peace, attempting. Now the time of sentence. To be conciliatory is to kiss and make up, come on. Next word, concise, brief and show the point. The scientist's explanation was concise, it was brief, and it helped us understand the difficult concepts. So, we have done the words for the day. Now, I would like to tell you the importance of vocabulary. What is the importance basically? If you have the vocabulary knowledge, so you can easily make the sentence. But how will you make the sentence? Here the grammar can help you. You should know the basic things of the grammar, that what is the present tense, what is the present perfect tense, future tense. You should know that where you should, where you can use should or will. So you should know the basic knowledge. But I would like to tell you advanced thing. The advanced thing is vocabulary. If you have the vocabulary, so you can easily make the sentence. But you need to learn some basic examples or the basic tips of the grammar also. But these things are not enough. You have to do another thing also, like reading newspaper every day. Newspaper reading is the best thing to improve your speaking exercise and pronunciation practice. Second thing is listening English media. You should listen English media every day. Watch any channel which you like, BBC, CNN, NDTV 24/7, CNBC. There are lots more English news channel. But you need to listen English news at least for 30 minutes, which can really improve your speaking practice as well. Because when you think someone while speaking English, so you will feel that if they can speak, so I can also speak. Another thing, the final round is speak in front of mirror, or speak with your friends, or speak with the people, those who can understand in English. So this is very very important, because when you speak up, so your mind will habitual to give the words or to follow the words whatever you are thinking in your mind. So your mind will deliver those words from your speaking practice. So this will improve your speaking skills as well, because you have to train your mind to learn English and to deliver the words in English. So if you really want to improve your English speaking practice, you need to do these basic things, which is very very important, because English has become a global language nowadays. Even you want to go for overseas studies or you want to go for get a job in corporate sector or in MNC companies. So English is very very important nowadays. But if you follow these simple steps, so you can really improve your English speaking. So I believe you really like the video of today. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.